afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Haley.
I'm David.
We're here to talk to you about ASTM C1608.
Chemical shrinkage.
Ayo.
Well, Haley, I'll just kind of do the flyby.
Sure.
I know you know the details of this test, and I mean, let's be honest, it's not a test I've run a lot. I'm more up at this C39. I'm more up at this sort of structural level. But what's important overall with concrete is that this total strain component, because in the end, it's strain that's going to cause cracking. It's strain that's going to cause these problems to us. And so, what components can we isolate out to find the total strain? So what we're going to talk about today is the strain caused just by the cement and the water and the hydration and the cement sort of sucking in the water chemically to lower that part of the volume, which is going to create some strain. So it's about the extent for me. I'll turn it over to you because I know you know all of these details.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, so I actually performed the experiment a few weeks ago, and the video will be coming out on that tomorrow. But this is just kind of going over the ASTM itself and what we're testing, why we care. So what would an example of a use for this be?
Well, it relates to hydration. So the change in water volume relates to hydration, which relates ultimately to strength. That's my side of the picture. And again, I mean, if we have different cements, they're going to have different absorption rates and whatnot. So we can isolate just that one component, as if we change from a type of cement or from one brand or source of cement, we can isolate that one component with this particular test. Yeah.
Yeah, so stay tuned to learn more about the test. It is really tedious to perform, but it can tell you a lot. So
it's an interesting test. I think the viewers would be interested in actually seeing it and seeing the results from it.
Absolutely.
So it's a little hard to set up.
Yeah. And now that I'm reading the ASTM, I see I did a few things wrong.
Oh, no.
But that's okay.
No. Couldn't be.
I definitely did.
No. Well, we live, we learn.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, so okay. So look forward to Haley's next video on this test and how it's actually run, and you'll kind of see what the results from it look like. So.
Sure, yeah. Thanks everyone for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below. Ding that bell for notifications. Go concrete!
Beat asphalt.